Hello, I'm Sarthak. Our objective is to make a joystick controller which allows us to fly a drone in different directions. We do so by designing a PCB circuit, 3D printing our case design, and using various other electrical components.
Hi, I am Vaishnavi and I am going to design the PCB schematic in Easy IIT software, and I also soldered the components of PCB.
Hello, I'm Rashid Agarwal, and I designed joystick case in Fusion 360 by using Form feature, and this is how it looks.
Hello, I'm Sanika and I mounted and in finishing touch the case design.
Hi, I'm Anupam. I soldered the components of our PCB using the schematic diagram that we made on the Easy EDA software.
Hi, I am Vishu. So coming to the coding part, using Arduino IDE, I uploaded the code required for the joystick into USB 30, and later I uploaded the code required for the drone into USB 866.